Home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahim from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to use the drill through function. Now this is a good function to use if you have a lot of information that you need to put into the reports but you don't have enough space on your canvas. It does happen, we do get kind of carried away in terms of the visualizations we want to use and the information that we have, and it's not possible to put it all on one canvas, so you have to spread it out onto pages and spread them out. Now with the drill through options, what you can do is assign certain products or segments or any particular sort of values within the visualization to its own report. And for that, I'm going to have to show you this video. Are you ready? Come take a look. Let's go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drill through on the report. So a drill through was brought out a few years ago, and it's an easier way for us to view the information on different pages of your report. What I'm going to do is show you a couple of examples on how that works and how to create one. Alright, so we've got a report here. I've got a couple of pages with my financial report. Report 1 and 2. I've used this on my previous video, so you probably already see that. Okay, so what I want to do is the visualization I have here is my product. So what I want to do is when I select into this, I want to have an option for me to drill through into further information about the products and that kind of thing. And the way you do that is you'll need to create another page with that information, so we can then assign it from this visualization. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create a new page. Okay, so I'm just going to name this product page. Okay, and then what we're going to do is create some visualizations. So let's create a card, and then what I'm going to do is put the products in there. Then I'm just going to take the title and the data label. The category off. Okay. I'm also going to put the table with products on and the sale price for them. And I'm going to see if there's discounts on there. And the units sold. Okay, so we've got a few bits of information on this table. Okay. So this is just a bit more in depth of the information that we would want and to save us some space on the initial report. So what we now need to do is on the drill through on the visualization section, we're going to select the products and we're going to put it into this field here. Okay. So then what we're going to do is go back to the first report and then we're going to go to this visualization. So we're going to say, right, okay, I want to see drill through on this. So once we right click that, it'll go down and go to drill through. It'll then have the products as we have assigned the products to that. Select that and then it comes up with the information that we've put in there. What that will automatically do as well is on the top left hand corner it'll put a back button, so if you control like that will take us back to there. Now just based on that as well, if we had another visualization with products in there, we're able to do it from that one. So it's based on the products or the column that we assign. Alright, so that's how we've done it for the products. And that's how we do a drill through. So I'm just going to create another one and just do it for segment. So here I am going to get the segment, put it in a table, and we're going to do the same thing. So the gross sales sort of thing, and the profit, sale price, or something like that. Okay, and then we're just going to do a card and just put this segment in there. So we're basically saying, you know, which, it'll tell us which one it is. Which one? Category graph. Okay, so we go on to the drill through. So we then put these segments in this section here. Okay, so you can't be selected on a visualization on the page. It has to be, click on the white part of the report. You'll be able to see the drill through here. Put that on. So then we go back to the financial report. Go to segment here. I just right click that, drill through. As you can see, you've got segment. It hasn't brought the product one in is because we have assigned that drill through for this segment. So it knows that we're on the segment visualization and it's used in there. So we're able to drill through to the segment page. So if we go there and click on the segment page, it brings that information up. So as you can see, it was the government part of the visualization that I selected, which then brings up that information on this page. So if we went into, let's say, another part, so we can check. So I went onto this blue part. So let's go to the orange part, and if I just, which is enterprise, right click, go drill through to the segment, it then brings up the information for the enterprise as well. So it's a neat feature to get used to and for you to explore the data to give you further information from the report, and it's easier doing it this way than creating buttons and hyperlinks and that kind of thing to then link it to other reports that you may have that you've created, any pages that you've created. So that's how drill through works. If you have got any questions, please do it in the comment section or get in contact with me. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.